Why, hello there. You clicked on this video because you don't know mathematics. I got you. Sorry for the blinding light, but I actually need light. I want to see if you guys can actually see this, though, because I'm doing this. Okay, good. You can see it. See, fine. Okay, so there's a couple equations right here, if you can see them. You can't really see them, but we're going to do C, A, and I don't know which one to choose yet. We'll go through it. So, we want to get this done. Sorry for messing with my hair a lot. It's getting long. But that is freaking blinding. Let's see if I can actually change this. I just accidentally drew on my wall. Okay, that's good. Okay, now you guys got it. Okay. So C is 5x plus 32 equals negative 3. So this is I don't know what grade you're learning this in. I'm learning this in 8th grade. 8th grade is doing pretty good. But that's what you want to do. So let me go ahead. I'm going to do this one-handed, which is kind of stupid. Let's go ahead and write out the equation. 5x plus 32 equals negative 1. Seems pretty easy, right? Wait. Oh, my bad. Not negative 1. Get that out of there. It's negative 3. My bad. I'm sorry. I was looking at the wrong one. Now, what we want to do is you want to keep this right here. We're going to keep this. We're going to keep that away. We don't want that anymore. Just going to keep that safe and sound, okay? 32. We don't want this number. This number sucks. So we are going to minus 32 to get 0. Alright? And by the way, you want a line right here where this and this is separated. So this over here needs to be away from this. Now, you do the exact same. Since you did that to that side, you have to do the exact same to this. Minus 32. Oh, sorry. 32. Now, you want to draw a line, right? Why is there a 0? Oh, yeah, there's a 0. My bad. Now, since this is negative, it's going to even go more negative. So, 3, it's going to be 35. Negative 35, okay? So, this, little important. Now, we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to take this right up here. We're going to move it all the way down here, okay? I want to move that all the way down here. So, if you guys can't understand me, I totally understand. I'm mumbling, so it's totally understandable. But, so now you want 5x and negative 35 right here, okay? You want that. You want to get rid of 5. 5, we don't need you. We need that x. Keep the x. Get the hell out of here, 5. So, we are going to... I just messed up that. Okay. Now we're going to divide 5 from each side. Divide it. Alright? So, 35 divided by 5. Okay, I'll give you a question. What is 35 divided by 5? Go. I'm waiting. Hold on, what was it? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Anyway, you didn't hear that. So, this is going to be 7. Alright, this is going to be x equals... I'm wondering if it's going to be negative or not negative. It's going to be negative 7. I think. X equals negative 7. Boom. False one. Complete. Now, we're going to move on to the second one. Alright, the second one is... Hold on. Did I pick A? Guys, did I pick A or C? Let's see. Which one's easier? No. Okay. I'm gonna pick A because A is easier for me, that is, but, you know. Okay, so now, this. This is not 3C, by the way. It's not 3C, so don't... it's the quote. I forget what these are called. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Anyway, so what you want to do is you want to keep this isolated from the outside world, okay? Quarantine that. But you're gonna draw a line just like you did the other time, okay? So 3, 4x, -6. Okay. So you're gonna take this 3 and you're gonna multiply, because when there is something between, you want to multiply that. So 3 times 4 equals 12, okay? If you don't believe me, go ahead, let's go do it, okay? 4, that's 1. 8, that's 2 4s. 12, that is 3 4s right there. So there. No, that is not 4,812. It is just 4,812. Here, let me just go ahead and fix that. Boom. So now you know. And then the x is still there. The x is still there, so it's going to be 12x. Hold on, let me just fix that real quick, because it was going down. It was getting dark, so I had to fix it. Anyway. Now, you keep that there, and you do the same exact thing to this. Since that is -6, this is important, okay? Listen. 3 times -6. What do you think is going to happen? Okay? I'll give you a quick answer, okay? If it's a negative times a negative, it's going to come out. Wait a minute. I'm trying to think right now. Hold on, sorry. Okay, so here's what I think. If a negative times a negative, it's going to come out a positive. And if yeah, that is true. So if a negative goes times a negative, it's going to be positive. And if a positive goes times a net positive, it's still going to be positive. But if you're multiplying against a negative, it's always going to become a negative. Always. Doesn't matter what you say. It's always going to become a negative. So, it's going to be 3, 4x. Okay. Sorry. It's going to be 3 times -6. So, 3 times -6, let's do some simple addition. 6, 12, 18. Okay? And it's going to be -18. So, we're going to keep that 12x away. Remember, we're going to keep that away. So, since this is -18. Sorry, there's like a... Sorry. There is a... you can't really see it because of the lights. But there's a plane outside, and it keeps moving, and it looks like someone's outside my window, and it's terrifying. But, oh, good. So, now you want to plus 18 to get rid of that number, because we don't need that anymore, remember? Always get rid of the extra numbers. Screw them. We don't need them. Get the hell out of here. Now, 78. We always do the same. We always do the same to the other side, okay? Plus 18. It's that simple, okay? This is going to be 0. We don't want this 0. So it's going to be just gone. That's not a 0. What is that? It looks like Assassin's Creed. No, that's a 0. That's a proper 0. Perfect. Now, 8 plus 8. Anyone want to tell me what that is? That is 16. Okay? 1 plus 7. That's 8. Okay? Plus another 10 since it's 16. So it's going to be 9. It's going to be 96. Okay? So, now, we go over to 12x. Okay? We do the exact same that we did the other time. Okay? We go ahead and go 12x divided by 12x. Go 96. Divide. Sorry, that's loud. I'm sorry for screaming. 12x. Now, if anybody wants to pause and just go ahead and try and solve it yourself, 100% go ahead. I'll give you a couple minutes. By a couple minutes, when this turns 10 o'clock, or 10 minutes, Okay, now you paused it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this the easy way, okay? Let's go ahead and see what 12 is. So it goes 12, 24, 36, okay? 48. You guys seeing something here? Do you guys see something? Think of this. 12 is pretty much just it times itself. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2, oh no, it's not times, it's plus itself. It's plus its other number. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Now, anybody want to think what the other thing is? It's not 50, it's 60. Okay? Now, it is going to keep going. 60, 72, 70, oh, no, not 70, oh my god, I'm so sorry, please do not write that down. It is actually going to be 84, and 96. When it gets to 60, the plus ends, okay? You can't plus anymore. So it's pretty much just keeps on going. It's a continuous cycle. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. You understand? Good. Now that we got that answer, we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So that must mean this is going to be 8. And since we got rid of this, it's going to be x, right? X equals 8. Congratulations. Now, I've thought some good thoughts on this, okay? Which one should we choose? A, B, or C? I'll give you till 12:20 to answer what I choose. You got it? Good job. Well, what I picked was I don't know yet, because I am literally panicking. No. You never panic in these situations. They're always going to be easier. So, what you do in this situation is we're going to go ahead and take the hardest one, which is C. Okay? Now, we're going to do it down here since I took up that space. I could erase it, but yeah, it's not much of a eraser, is it? Now, let's go ahead, put it down here. Let's go ahead, write the equation. 4x minus 50 equals 2x minus 8. Now, this one is a little difficult, okay? I totally understand. So, if my calculations are correct, oh, I sound kind of naughty when I say, if my calculations are correct, the answer should be, okay, so, what do you guys think we do first? I'll just let you answer, like always. Okay, so, if it's like this, and it's on two sides, you always want them to be on the same side. That's how I was taught, anyway. So, you want this to be on the same sides. 2x, 4x. You want these to be on the same side, okay? Put this over here, and put this over here. Okay? So, now, we are going to go ahead and get rid of the extra numbers on here. 2x, 4x. I'm hoping I'm not screwing this up, because I'm actually trying to figure it out myself. I feel like I'm screwing it up, at the same time, I feel like I'm not at all. Because I don't know why, but I feel like I'm not doing it correctly. I'm learning here with you. It's kind of funny. So, 2x. So, if I am correct, which I really do think I am, I think we add them together. Okay, even though this is a minus, okay, plus minuses, think I'm doing it correctly. Okay? Think I'm doing it. What's it minus? I'm only wasting people's time right here. God damn. Okay. It is, indeed. We're just gonna go for it. Alright, we're gonna go for it, see what happens. Okay? Gonna rush in. Okay? 4x, 2x. Add that together. What do we get? I don't know. What do you guys think? We either get 8x or 6x. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and go for it. We're gonna go get 8x, okay? 8x. We're gonna go ahead, drop this down, do it. 8x, okay? Now, we're gonna minus this, alright? We're gonna minus that. It's gonna be 42, okay? 42. So, it's gonna be negative 42, I'm pretty sure. Now, wait a damn minute. No, it's not gonna be negative. Alright, you wanna know why it's not negative? Because this came over here, said, know what? I'm a bigger number than you. I don't care if you're negative or not. We're not multiplying. We're adding. Boom. I'm better. 42. It's just going to be 42, okay? Now, like we always do, we divide 8, okay? Divide it by its own number. That's going to be x, which equals, okay, 42. Anyone want to think what that is? In mine, okay, we're going to go ahead, do this over again. Sorry that I'm talking really fast, because I'm not trying to make this a 20-minute video, even though it is. And it's really sad that something this easy is taking 20 minutes, but how life is, you know? 28. Let's see, 35. 42. There. We got it. 42. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. So the answer is x equals 6. Okay. Now. Boom. They got it. Answers are x equals negative 7. X equals 8. And x equals 6. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Peace.